of relief.
On the 8s on the Weather Channel. No place on Earth has better weather. Forecasts from the Weather Channel are also available from the following.
Time now for a look at your weekend outlook, and then we'll get right to the tropical update. And it is sponsored by Zebco. Take your family fishing this weekend with Zebco rods and reels. The fun is catching. Well, as we check our weekend, I want to take a quick moment to say hello to Artie out on Long Island, who is a landscaper and a big fan of the Weather Channel. You hear that a lot from landscapers, I'm sure. A lot of rain in the east recently has probably been keeping you inside, or at least it's had you dodging the thunderstorms. Well, this weekend looks great. The front's going through, so temperatures will be in the 70s and mainly 80s, and we should have drier conditions. Down to the south, the heat and humidity are just going to be a killer. 90s are back. In the southwest, 110-degree readings in a small area here. And who gets the thunderstorms for the weekend? Well, we think that monsoonal moisture is still going to come into New Mexico and up into Colorado. Doesn't look too wet for you around Arizona. Just a few thunderstorms today, and might be just a few, but not too many. In the southeast, isolated thunderstorms on Saturday. Looks like you should have a nice day to be out and about Nashville, Atlanta, out to Lake Lanier, Lake Hartwell. Not too many problems. Things start to get going out here in the northern plains. Scattered showers and thunderstorms. They'll work their way into the western Great Lakes by the end of the weekend, and they're just going to inch their way eastward. So we are going to be talking about a fair amount of rain first few days of next week, and that's likely to be a problem. So we'll, keep you up to date on that. All right, let's go ahead and take our trip down to the tropics and show you what's going on here. We do want to show you, first off, the intertropical convergence zone. Satellite picture here will show it to us. And you can see here, all the way from the coast of Africa, all the way over here into the Pacific. That's where the trade winds come together. That's the area we watch for tropical waves, for development this time of year. That's the main area. Of course, this time of year, it's the Gulf of Mexico and the Caribbean, which are most likely to see development. Now, you notice this. Little blob of clouds here in the Bay of Campeche, and that's our main area of concern for the present time. So we're going a little bit closer. This is the infrared satellite picture, the colorized top showing you the highest cloud tops, and you can definitely pick up those thunderstorm clouds here over land. Of course, nothing tropical there, but down here in the Bay of Campeche, we had a nice big cluster. Doesn't look like anything quite as intense right at the moment, so we'll kind of have to watch this. If it persists in that same area, the winds in the upper atmosphere are kind of dying down, so it's going to place that in a more favorable area for development, and it's possible that we can see development here. It doesn't look imminent at this point, but it's the thing that's closest to home and in a favorable environment, so that is our number one thing that we'll be watching next few days. Check back with us and we'll let you know how things are progressing. Meanwhile, here over...